Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our brand new project on Fairbrook in the city of Santa Ana. You guys have seen previous videos about Santa Ana and how I'm unhappy with them on their approval process, and it only took a year to get this one approved. Not because of us, but because of Santa Ana. Now, we have already dug our footings on this, and this is a above ground, not a slab ADU. So we're matching the existing house and make it at the same level. So we have all our stem walls formed and we got our footings in here. So this is a stem wall and this will, hang on, I'll get there here. These are our stem walls and this will be full of concrete all the way around, and then we have small footings on the interior to hold our floor joists across. So all of this is about 10 yards worth of concrete. We got all our rebar inside of our stem wall forms and our, I'm going brain dead guys, I'm sorry. All the rebar's in, everything's formed. We still have to put all our hold downs in place. All these blue locations are where the bolts go through. But we'll get that done tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, and we'll get this thing all prepped and ready for our inspection on Friday. They'll inspect all our forms, all our hold down locations, and then our goal is to pour concrete for this location on Saturday and start framing on Monday. This doesn't look like a lot of concrete, but it's a whole truck of concrete. So an ADU on the front of the house here in the city of Santa Ana, a little over 400 square foot, one bedroom, front of the house ADU here. So guys, any questions about building an ADU? Any questions about building an ADU on a raised foundation? Any questions about building an ADU in front of your property and not in the backyard? Please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812. And one of myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.